What's up, world? It's I'm Asavagej I. I know it's been a while, but I'm back with another video. And today I am going to be seeing what's inside of a dreadlock. We're going to do part 2 of the last video. Instead, I couldn't get everyone together. Because as you know, Keon is banned and Debo should be doing his own thing. This time it's just me. So I'm gonna be seeing exactly what's inside of a dreadlock. All because I cut my hair over summer, and I decided just to keep it. So I'm going just to cut it open and see exactly what's on the inside. And I know just the way I got to my camera right now, probably not even the best, but I'm doing the best I can. Don't know how people should be having just the camera up over what they are doing exactly. I don't know how they do it, but I'm just doing the best I can. And how about we get to this video started? So here is the bag of hair, bag of dreadlocks came from my head, and I just want to see what's on the inside of one of these. Ooh. They feel so weird, to be honest. They feel so weird. Okay, so here I see one that's twisted together a bunch. Just twisted together. It's just 2 of them twisted together. Okay, I tried to double them up just to make them thicker. So I'm gonna cut this one in half, and this one is pretty thick. So these two right here. And remember, I have so many of these dreadlocks. If you have any suggestions or ideas you want me to do with them, like do some experiments or whatever, just comment down below. I got them just right here. I brought them back just so I could do experiments with them. Now I'm doing it. This is what's inside of a dreadlock. Okay, so this was kind of on short notice, so I'm using just these small scissors. So let's start off with the one that is just one. So how am I gonna do this? Okay. Well, before I go any further, I already started cutting. I think it's gonna be maybe dirty on the inside. Just like it's full of dirt or dust or whatever, dandruff, mud. I don't know, but I think it's gonna be dirty on the inside. So I feel like just this workspace is gonna be kind of dirty and everywhere. Let's continue cutting. Okay. So this is the first piece I cut off. I tried to cut it even. This is the part that came out first. I am really surprised. Well, kind of. It's kind of gray on the inside. It's hard to even tell that it is hair. Don't know if you can see it that well. I know it's kind of blurry, but still. And I just dented it. Okay, so here it is. kind of the aftermath. I have 3 parts, well, technically 4. This one's for later. But I'm trying to get my best to cut it as even as possible. But if you will see in this one pretty long, so I'll show you this one. It's like gray with some white spots. Don't know what's on the inside, and I really don't know exactly what I'm doing wrong, because I'm trying to get my best to cut it straight down the middle. Straight down the middle. Except in the camera, it looks like a whole dread, but it's basically a dread split in half. Don't know how exactly to do it. And just to even show you, it's split in half. A whole dread will be strong. This one I can just pull it apart. Well, it's still locked, so some parts are going to be still tough. I know zebras are covered in stripes, but this actually looks like a zebra on the inside. Whoa. It's covered in white spots on the side. Covered in white spots. Yeah. I think I'm part zebra.
Official.